In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for day-to-day project management. Whether you're part of a large team or working on a solo project, Monday.com is a powerful tool to help keep you organized and efficient. We'll walk through everything you need to know to get started, from setting up your account to leveraging automation features. First things first, you'll want to create an account on Monday.com. This step is straightforward and will set the foundation for your project management journey. Once that's done, it's time to choose a workspace name. Consider something that reflects your team or project focus, such as marketing team or client projects. This keeps everyone aligned and gives a clear identity to your workspace. Don't forget to invite team members so you can all collaborate in one centralized location. Next, let's move on to creating a new board. Boards are essentially your project's home base where tasks and workflows are organized. You can either choose from an array of templates like project management, CRM, or content calendar, or you can start fresh with a blank board. Give your board a name that aligns with your project, something like Website Redesign Project, to keep things clear and structured. Let's dive into adding groups and tasks. Groups serve as categories or phases of your project, such as to do, in progress, and completed. Under these groups, you'll want to add specific tasks. For instance, in your to-do group, you might have tasks like design mockups, write blog copy, or set up email automation. This organization helps keep your project streamlined and easy to track. To make your board more informative, you'll use columns to organize various details. Think of columns as the metadata of your tasks. Common columns include people to assign team members, status to track task progress, date for deadlines, and priority to indicate importance. These columns are customizable to fit the unique needs of your workflow, so feel free to add or remove as necessary. Your project management routine should include updating and tracking progress daily. Team members can update the status of each task, add comments for direct communication, and attach files or notes. Keeping all this information centralized within Monday.com ensures that everyone stays on the same page. For better clarity, Monday.com offers different views of your data. The main table view is the default, providing a comprehensive list of tasks. If you prefer something more visual, the Kanban view resembles sticky notes and can be particularly helpful. Calendar view presents your deadlines in a standard calendar format, and the timeline or Gantt view allows you to track project schedules and dependencies with precision. Finally, to enhance productivity, you can set up automations for repetitive tasks. For example, you can configure the system to move a task to the completed group when it's marked as done. Automations are a great way to save time and ensure consistent project progress. Thank you for watching this Monday.com tutorial. With these steps, you're well equipped to manage projects more efficiently through Monday.com. Happy planning!